everyone, welcome you all in Shape Your Imagination with Ananya. Today we are doing Mithila painting, in which I am covering Tantric style of Mithila painting. As we all know, we all used to do Kachni, Bharni, Godna, Kobar and Tantric. These are the all 5 styles which we used to do in Mithila painting. So today I am focusing on Tantric painting, Tantric style you can say. And in Tantric which I am going to do is about Chinmasta Mata. Chinmasta Mata is also known as Parvati Mata, Chinmunda Mata. Chinmasta Mata temple is located in Rajrappa near Ranchi. So now I am going to start with the painting and will let you know about the story behind it. So as I have already told you in my all last videos, and again I am reiterating, number 1 is making border. So first of all we'll do border, then we'll draw the image what actually we need to draw, then everywhere we'll do black lines, and at final last stage we'll start with color and we'll complete it. So here I am starting with Chinmasta Mata story. One more thing I would like to tell you is we are going to draw here 3 lady. One is Parvati Mata or Chinmasta Mata, and 2 her attendants Jaya and Vijaya, and 2 more which is under step of Mata, that is Kamdev and Mata Rati, her wife. Kamdeva wife. So inside the body part of Mata Parvati, it means Chinmasta Mata and Jaya and Vijaya, you can fill with border designs, as she wore full of jewelries. You can have a look in other paintings too of Chinmasta Mata. So here I am starting with the story now. The origin of Chinmasta Mata is mentioned in the Pranatoshni Tantra. One day Parvati went to take bath in the Mandakini river with her attendants Jaya and Vijaya, as I have mentioned earlier also. So after taking, the great goddess color become black because she was sexually aroused. So after some time, her 2 attendants asked her to give some food. We are hungry. So she replies, I shall give you food, but please wait. After a while, again they asked her. So she replied, please wait, I am thinking about some matters. Waiting a while, they implored her, you are the mother of the universe. A child asks everything from her mother. The mother gives her children, not only food, but also covering for the body. So that is why we are praying you too for food. You are known for your mercy. Please give us food. Hearing this, the consort of Shiva told them that she would give anything when they reached home. But again, her attendants begged her, we are overwhelmed with hunger. O Mother of Universe, please give us food so we may be satisfied. O merciful one, bestower of boons and fulfiller of desires and desires. So, hearing this true statement, the merciful goddess smiled and served her head. As soon as she served her head fell on the palm of left hand herself, and 3 blood streams emerged from her throat. The left and right fell respectively into the mouth of her flanking attendants Jaya and Vijaya, and the center one fell into her mouth. After performing this, all were satisfied and later returned home. And with this act, Parvati became Chinmasta. And in the painting here, I am doing the same. Chinmasta has cut off her own head with a sword Her left hand supports her head and the right hand holds the sword, with which she cuts it off. 3 jets of blood gush from her neck. One stream enters the mouth of her served head, and other 2 jets enter the mouth of 2 female champions. Chinmasta stand on the copulating bodies of the goddess Rati and her husband Kamdev, the god of sexual lust. They in turn are lying on a crimson pyre. The image Rati and Kam having sex and Rati on top of the same position Kali assumes with Shiva. It symbolizes that the goddess Chinmasta is being charged with the sexual power of a copulating couple, surging up through her body, which is usually described as naked. 16-year-old girl that energy gushes out of her head in the form of blood is feed her, devotes and replenishes herself. In this interpretation, copulating couple is not opposed to the goddess but an integral part of a rhythmic flow of energy symbolized by sex and blood. As they were making love, the self-sacrificing, nourishing intent of Chinmasta is emphasized by Pratapatyapal. The obvious implication here is of primal sacrifice and renewal of creation. The goddess sacrifices herself and her blood, which is being drunk by her attendants, renews of resuscitates the universe. Therefore, beheading her own head is a temporary expedient to provide food and appears to be a more sanguinary manifestation of the goddess as Shakambhari, the one who bears vegetable, the Annapurna, the one who full with blood. This is the story behind this painting. Also, you can visit Rajrappa Mata temple. You will find the same picture. Rajrappa temple is also known as Sakti Peeth. In all 10 Mahavidya, means Daso Mahavidya, this came into and known as number 6, the Chinnamasta Mata temple. And there is a mantra for Chinnamasta Mata, and that's Om Chinnmastamaya Namo Namah. Om Chinnmastai Namo Namah. And the procedure is: take a bath and sit in a quiet room. If you can, add a handful of rock salt into the bucket of water and take a bath with the same. This would cleanse your aura and make you purer before you begin with the chanting of the mantra. Place a picture of goddess Chinmasta. If you have a yantra of this Devi, place it in front of you. Ensure to keep the pronunciation right while chanting the mantra, which I have been told you. Om Chinmastai Namo Namah. And you have to chant the mentioned mantra for at least 108 times a day and for 11 days in a row. It is important for you to focus on the picture of the Devi while chanting the mantra. Never stop even for a day while chanting the mantra. That's all for today. I hope this information would be helpful. So if you like the information and my painting, please like and subscribe my channel and share it so that it could be reached in more hands. Thank you.